Hey, what the hell are you doing?
I got the C-clips.
Yo, the little the little lock clippies. You
Yep,
got both off?
they're both off.
But the plastic you said was crusty, rusty bond.
Oh yeah, it's bondoed to the. So I got to be careful so that I don't damage the window.
Don't damage the window.
Yeah, no window damage, I promise.
Sorry, I was trying to get a good shot. It's about time for a shot.
I know, right?
Oh, I saw that move.
Oh, wait.
Oh, wait, there's more.
Are you pregnant?
I know, right?
Oh, there you go. So these rollers, they're readily available. I'll be having some coming right quick. This side's out. Scotty's over here. Burnsy's here for glass support. You having fun breaking plastic that's older than you are?
Yeah.
Not by much, though. Yeah, I called you old, Scotty.
Yeah, I know, right?
There you go. I can see you popping it away. Oh, man, there we go. We're almost there. Just about ready to slide out.
I know, right? And I mean, it's literally right.
It's right at the cusp. That's all it holds it, is the two.
And for those of you that do windows, if you look at, say, the BMW windows or the GM windows, they use that white squared plastic where the knob goes in and kind of clamps around it with a C-clamp.
Mm-hmm.
Same basic style, except this one's an older one. That's all.
Well, you know who uses a clip like this? It's just larger diameter. It's Saab.
Yes. Oh, that's right. I forgot about them.
Green, those big green ones.
Yep.
They're like 1.5 inch diameter. Been there, done that. You're right there, buddy. Trying to get the last of that plastic out. Oh, I see it moving. There it is. There it is. There she be.
Bernsey, you go that way, please, sir, if you don't mind.
You were very polite. You should have said, Bernsey, move your fat ass.
Damn, bro. I'm
Right?
not fat, I'm big bone.
Thick.
I'm thick.
Thick and juicy. One night at the barracks, and that's what would happen.
All right.
Go down.
Push her in and slide her down.
In and down. Oop. You didn't spit enough on that.
That's exactly what I used.
A little spit. Hey, look. There goes the glass. Go.
In it slowly, because my paycheck can't afford an entire glass.
Yeah, then come on.
All right, so that's down.
Just let her go right in.
1, 2.
We know she'll be safe.
Yep. All
That's
right,
it.
ready? Come on, Scott. Look at this. It's gonna be the Scotty Magic. This will be great. Send this to Ken. Be like, look, it's already open. He's like, oh my god.
To the handle.
To the handle. Almost.
Nope.
You had it released a minute ago.
Okay, do the handle.
It's not releasing on that end. Little blaster. Little PP blaster.
That's the biggest problem. It's not really sound like it.
Yeah, but we had it. It was making noise earlier when he was pulling on it.
Mm-hmm.
All right, we'll be back.